phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable. And you showing off, but it's alright. And you showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So first and foremost, we want to thank everybody for liking, subscribing, and sharing.
Notification button.
Yeah, everything with our channel. We really appreciate all the support. Today is going to be very important. We actually have a snack crate. Well, we talked about it a little bit in our first video. It was actually coming from, it's a snack crate. We're gonna do a review, basically. It's a bunch of snacks and they came from the Philippines. So yeah, we're just gonna dive right in. I wish it was bigger though.
We didn't think it was gonna be this small. I thought it was gonna be
I thought it was
big.
gonna be bigger than this.
It's cute, huh? These stickers.
Yeah, those are stickers. That's cool.
Aloha.
Yeah. Anyways, all that. I don't know if you can see. Today it literally took like a bunch of days for it to come into the mail. A new one is gonna get sent every month. Unfortunately, I don't know what the next month is gonna be. But I actually picked for this one to be the Philippines. But next month, I have no idea. It's gonna be a surprise every month. A different thing. First, this is the first one. It's called a choco soaked snack sponge crunch. And it says Oishi at the top. Oishi.
That looks fun.
It does. It's giving me vibes of.
It look nasty.
I can't open it. Ooh, chocolate cake? Maybe?
It smells like cereal.
Yeah, cereal with like Cocoa Puffs.
That's nasty. Look at it.
It's giving. Well, let's. Oh my god, yeah. Cocoa Puffs.
Y'all need something to drink? Cause y'all
It is good.
supposed to be dry. Oh, no.
Guys, I don't know. It's.
Nasty.
It reminds me of like vanilla wafers.
Yeah.
And the Cocoa Puffs. Like it tastes like they combined the two together, rolled them up, and this came out.
Vanilla wafers is good. I know that's not good.
I don't like it. Not my favorite.
Next we have. It says boy.
What is it?
Boy
Bawang Cornick. And what's adobo? It says adobo flavor. Bigger, tastier, and crunchier. I don't know what this is.
Hey, look. I hope it's not nasty.
Total fat, 7 grams. Well, I'm guessing it's salty because it doesn't have a lot of sugar in it. Oh! Oh my god! What the fuck is that?
No, yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Smell it. No, y'all, that is stink. It onions.
It smells like.
It smells like concentrated like onions, like Anyways,
It smells like I don't know what it smells like, but I can't.
Is it peanuts? Oh my god! Look at this. I don't know.
Yeah, I told you them nasty.
It's nasty.
You go.
Oh my god.
It's not like a garlic.
Yo, I have a weak stomach. It
Like
tastes
garlic.
like it's an overwhelming taste of garlic in this snack.
I know that someone eating that in not stink.
I don't want to smell it no more.
Yeah, she tried to push it to you.
Sorry. I don't want to smell it no more because I might end up puking.
Oh my god. That is
This
so
shit
nasty.
is excuse me. This is disgusting. Disgusting. Not my
I
favorite.
can't get the taste out my mouth.
So compared to the first snack that we just ate,
That
and
was-
compared to this one definitely takes the cake. Not. Oh, I like the way this looks. Let's try this. Waffle rolled wafer with creamy chocolate filling. I'm gonna see about that. I love chocolate.
Show them the thing.
Oh. Waft. And then, yeah. I love chocolate, so. Oh my god, that aftertaste
It's
is.
so nasty.
I mean, I guess if you're a person who likes
Garlic.
garlic bread, like you really like garlic bread,
Garlic bread is good, but that don't even taste
it
like
tastes like. Did you ever go to Olive Garden and had their garlic bread? I don't even want to talk in your face right now because I just feel like it's
I don't even eat it all
taking.
garlic.
I just feel like it's taking you out.
My stomach, like, oh my lord.
Oh, that smells good. It kind of smells like the first one. I don't want to talk in Lanisha's face because I just feel like I'm taking her out.
Smell good.
Oh, I smashed it. Well.
I gotta get this taste out my mouth.
That's good. That's good. I like that. I forgot what they're called. I think they're called Perry Loans or something. Where are you going?
It's all over her side of her face right now.
Goofy. Goof.
That was good.
This one is called Skyflakes.
Yeah, right there.
Crackers.
Skyflakes. Crackers. It looks like you're supposed to eat them with a cup of coffee.
You got it.
Whatever you do, take it anywhere you go. That's cute. They have like a little cartoon on it. Like an illustration type thing. That's cute. And their stuff has a lot of fat in it. I'm not a fan of crackers, but it has chocolate in the middle. So. Oh, it's like triple layered. Oh, we can like split this.
Look at it.
Let me see. I mean, is that mold?
I think it's chocolate in the middle.
Oh, we should break it the other way.
It's like dry chocolate in the middle.
That tastes like dark chocolate. I do not like dark chocolate. It's okay.
It's too dry for me. I just don't think saltine crackers and chocolate should be a thing. Enough of that. On to the next. It's called an Oop cake. It says luscious Oop flavor wrapped in a light, delectable sponge cake. Oh, this one doesn't have a lot of fat in it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, it kind of smells like a moon pie.
Oh, spicy.
It kind of look well.
Oh man. Looks like a sponge
Yeah, it looks like a sponge, like something you wash your dishes with.
that you're about to eat.
Oh. Ooh. Look at the middle. That's cute. That's cute.
You eat it first.
Why? Why do you?
Because it's
Not a fan of cake with no icing.
this thing.
It crumbles in your mouth like dirt. Like sand. Bland sand.
I can't do it. Too dry.
Too dry. And why'd you put that back in there? Oh, they gave us. Oh, this is another one.
Yeah, that's another one. The other pack is brown.
Oh yeah.
I was like, why she said I put that back in there?
I thought she put it back in here. Actually, this is another one
Lord.
from this one that we were eating earlier. I said I did not like. I just don't like crackers and chocolate together. That's just not a thing. Looks like they put another one in here, and it says it's a sweet milk flavor. Girl, we'll see about that. You okay?
Yeah.
Sound like you got something in your throat, honey.
This smells so sweet.
And I don't know if it's just me because I don't like crackers. Pass. I'll take an easy pass.
It just tastes like regular crackers.
Yeah, it's like
The saltine crackers.
the vibes I'm getting from those. It just tastes like they had like saltine crackers, got some chocolate, spread it on there, and then put another cracker on there, get some more chocolate, and slap it on there, and then put another cracker, and then put it in the package. That's what I'm getting.
The next one we have.
The last one we have, Cloud9.
Classic.
It looks like a candy bar.
I want
Luscious
Cloud9.
caramel, crunchy peanuts, and soft nougat enriched chocolate. Oh, it's called Jack and Jill.
Jackie Hill went up the hill. Oh, ran down the hill.
She's eating the rest.
I see. Smell good. Smell caramel.
Oh,
I think
that's
we're getting a big piece.
Shit's hard to pull. This tastes stale.
It's like taffy.
You don't taste stale to you?
Maybe that's what it's supposed to taste like. Don't like. If I had to pick for my favorite one,
This was top all of them.
yeah, the sponge crunch.
I lied. That one. And this one. My sister over there eating the rest of it.
She
And this one.
But this would be my favorite though. Out of no, not this one. Okay, this one, Waft. That would be my favorite. Least favorite would be these. They taste like garlic bread,
A bunch of garlic.
like a bunch of garlic and a bunch of salt. It stink, and it almost made me puke.
I thought I'd throw up.
And I have a weak stomach, so wrap all those up. Well, guys, that takes the cake for today's video. Definitely stay tuned for our next video. We're wanting to do a prank on someone. Of course, we're not gonna tell you who or what we're gonna be doing, but yep, definitely look out for that video. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends to tell a friend to subscribe to us.
Make sure you subscribe. Alright, so before we end this video, we have my brother and one of our friends that's here with us today while we're doing this video. Y'all gonna get their reaction of
Yeah,
what we
they
just
also
ate.
wanted to try it as well. We thought that would be like a good plus in the video too, like an uncut version.
Yeah.
You know?
So, freak.
I look nasty. But we're gonna try the same one at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
What side y'all bite? Y'all bite off of this right here?
We broke it.
Coffee.
Yeah, that's something you need a drink with. Extremely dry.
It's dry, very dry.
It's dry, but it's not bad.
I like this one.
This one, I'm scared of the other one.
The one that has the most in it.
This one.
This?
Come on, you say.
Yeah, I told you. It's like sand.
We don't kiss you. Give me a fucking tissue.
Jaloo.
Tissue.
Jaloo.
Oh, you don't like it?
Mm-mm.
I told you it's like vanilla wafers with the cocoa puffs.
Like the
No, I can't even swallow
This
that.
is like a fudge round.
Oh yeah,
Fudge.
like a dried out one.
It's definitely dry. It's that.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna tell you something. You ain't get the worst.
What kind of shit you just talking?
I don't know what those.
I'm a bit scared because the way.
What are those two images on the front? What kind of sauce that's supposed to be? Garlic and
Vinegar.
vinegar, I think. It looks like that's what it is.
Which one is garlic?
Green one.
Taste it, please. Tea,
Vinegar
please.
in that damn color there. There ain't no vinegar there.
That's Subway vinegar.
Taste it, please.
I'm gonna smell it first. Is what I'm gonna do.
Tell us what you think.
They ain't right. But what is this, nuts?
No.
You gotta
It's not
try
nuts.
it.
What is it?
Try
It's
it.
like,
Yeah, I'm scared.
I don't know how to
Come
explain
on
it.
now. Dig in. I'm not eating it anymore. I'll screw up.
I'm sorry, I can't.
It smells like garlic for real though.
Please.
Eat at the same
Put
time.
it in your mouth.
Yeah.
Go ahead, just put it in there all at once.
Put the whole thing in there?
Yes!
Well, I gotta spit it out. Hold on, wait.
That's actually not bad.
Just in case I got that
What?
immediately.
That thing's nasty.
Good.
Oh no.
That's good.
Yeah. If you like garlic, you.
Out. It's in my tongue. This is good. No, that's nasty for real. Like for real. No, dead ass.
Disgusting.
Oh my god. That's ass. That is good. No, for real.
Yeah, I got like 2 more.
You got this one, and that one.
It's not out.
So yeah, I got that other cracker and the other cake.
Which one?
This one.
That cracker and that cake right there. Oh yeah, and that chocolate candy.
Throw that shit there in the trash. No, for real.
This thing smells like a Three Musketeers.
It's not bad.
I don't taste nothing.
I just don't like the way the chocolate tastes.
Dark chocolate.
I don't like the way it tastes at all.
I can't taste nothing.
It's extremely dry for me. I don't like crackers. You know,
I wouldn't eat these crackers.
no pun intended. I don't like crackers. Yeah.
Is there another one?
Yeah, the cake and that chocolate candy.
There's another one in there.
I
Just like the bag.
I definitely want to keep this one.
Yeah, that one.
Well, not keep. I want
What?
I might try it.
It's so.
There's some more in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Go ahead, eat it.
Why did you bite it like that?
No. Food.
It kind of crumbles in your
It
mouth.
tastes like a cake that's been sitting for a long time.
Yeah, it crumbles in your mouth like sand. Yeah, I didn't.
It's not terrible, but it's not
I mean,
not pleasant either.
most of them were dry.
I think we're taking a
You
really
just
long
really
time
need
doing
that
this,
tissue.
but I'm gonna try and hurry up. You just made a mess. Here you go.
This looks like a Mickey Way.
There you go. If I can chew a bit.
They still in it.
I don't
Take
like this
nasty.
like that. I don't
It's still like caramel too hard or something.
It tastes old.
It's not. It's breaking up. I don't know. The way is.
Y'all sure these people send y'all the right stuff with the right date?
Yeah, I mean, y'all done?
Done.
So which one did y'all like?
What is your favorite?
That's one.
Which one your favorite, Natasha?
That's your favorite? I think it's the crackers, the first crackers.
My favorite was the one that over there.
The what?
The waffle.
The
Yeah, it's all
waffle.
gone now, but
My sister ate it.
Look how she
Wait,
looks.
you can turn the camera to us so we can.
All
All right,
right.
guys. So that is the end of our uncut video. We just all thought it would be a good reaction. So yeah, definitely tune in for our next video. It's definitely gonna be a prank this time. We're gonna get somebody.
Yep. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn up post bell notification on.
Turn it on.
on. And y'all have a nice day.